Nice one. Custom Cruisers Part 2. As you can see here, we've actually put the air filter on. Okay, but to do this isn't bolted up, but you can see how it works. Massively more airflow than the stock Mickey Mouse thing, as you can see. And basically this is going to be bolted on here, this on here. So this is going to press in here. It only lines up in one certain way, as you can see. Okay. This then again only lines up in one way like that. That's then bolted on with these side screws. Okay, little screws in it. And this goes on here. And then our filter, the original Harley filter, will go on here. Looking pretty cool, I think you'll agree. Giving it that stealth look, so you don't actually know what's behind it, but it does look like a stock air filter. Obviously it does stick out more than the original, but great bit of kit. Gets all the cold air to it as well, and away you go. If you're interested in any parts like this, give us a call. We also do the ones with the same sort of thing with a fancy disc cover on the outside, but I think this stealth looks pretty cool. Give us a call, 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Thank you.